In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Gmail, a beginner's guide designed to help you navigate the process seamlessly. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open your web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the address bar at the top. This is where you generally type in web addresses. You're going to type gmail.com. This web address will take you directly to the Gmail homepage, where you can either sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. For those of you who might be new to this, Gmail is an email service provided by Google, allowing you to send and receive emails efficiently and securely. After you type in gmail.com and press enter, you'll be directed to a page where you'll potentially see multiple account options to choose from. If this is your first time accessing Gmail on this device, you might see a sign-in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Assuming you already have an account, proceed to select the account you want to access. For many users, your device might automatically save your email accounts if you've logged in before. This feature is particularly handy as it saves time, ensuring that you don't have to type your email address repeatedly. If you don't see your account listed, you can always click Use Another Account to manually enter your email address. Once you've selected your account, the next step is to enter your password. In the password field, type your personal password associated with your Gmail account. It's always a good practice to have a strong, secure password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. As you type, you'll notice that your password is hidden. This is an intentional security measure to protect your privacy, especially in public or shared areas. After you've entered your password, click Next or press Enter on your keyboard. If you've entered the correct information, you'll be successfully logged into your Gmail account, and you'll find yourself on the Gmail's main page where your emails are organized. Here, you'll see your inbox with the latest emails, as well as options to compose new messages, access your sent items, and organize your folders. And that's it. Opening Gmail is straightforward once you know the steps. By following this guide, you should now be ready to navigate your Gmail account with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll find this process becoming second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this beginner's guide helpful.